Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on February the 3rd, 2021. Jeff Bezos resigns as CEO of Amazon with fourth quarter report. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has decided to step down as CEO and will move to become executive chairman of the board, the company announced in its fourth quarter report. Andy Jassy, now head of Amazon Web Services, will be the new head of the company. Under his leadership, Amazon has signed contracts with major customers such as Verizon, McDonald's, and Honeywell. Silicon Valley startups have long relied on AWS as the division's annual revenue is up 37% in 2019 and 30% in 2020. Amazon also reported record quarterly sales topping $100 billion for the first time. Amazon's net sales rose to $125.6 billion on holiday growth, topping analyst estimates of $119.7 billion. According to IBES Refinitiv, the company's stock was up less than 1% after the close of trading. Reddit trade craze halts as regulators to debate. Hedge funds, small investors, and their stockbrokers are pushing for a tighter regulation of the U.S. markets. Officials are expected to meet this week to assess the fallout from the social media frenzy that has pushed up stocks and silver prices. As they are brokers imposed buying restrictions, high-priced stocks of small traders fell for 2 days in a row. Early trading of their European-listed stocks Wednesday will be the next guide to see if they are in free fall just as regulators prepare to meet. The head of the U.S. SEC, which regulates the markets, will meet with Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and the heads of the Federal Reserve and CFTC as early as Thursday. Yellen asked to discuss how volatile the recent situation is and whether trading is consistent with fair and efficient markets. It's not clear whether this will lead to action, but experts expect the focus will also be on the increasing role played by non-bank firms. Musk's talk with Robinhood CEO raises Clubhouse up. An unexpected conversation between tech billionaire Elon Musk and Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev amid heightened interest in news about the company about the new Clubhouse audio social network helped propel the app to the top of the startup's charts and sparked the scramble for an exclusive service. Demand for invitations for less than a year service members get to invite a limited number of friends during the pre-launch period is so hot that the market from them has grown on platforms like Reddit, eBay, and Craigslist. As of Tuesday, data from analyst firm Sensor Tower said there were about 3.6 million installments worldwide for the app, only available on Apple's iPhone, with 1.1 million of those coming in the last 6 days. Investors were so impatient for the action portion that at one point on Monday they pushed shares of Clubhouse Media Group, a completely unrelated stock, up 117%. China turns its back on Jack Ma, Alibaba's earnings. Alibaba Group founder Jack Ma has been crossed off the list of Chinese entrepreneurial leaders published by state media, showing how far he has fallen off Beijing's radar. China's most famous businessman was not mentioned in a front-page article published by Shanghai Securities News. The reason for Ma's current woes was an October the 24th speech in which he blasted China's regulatory system, leading to the suspension of his $37 billion Ant Group IPO just days before the tech giant listed. It was released Tuesday when Alibaba also reported its latest quarterly earnings. The company's total revenue for the 3 months ended December the 31st rose 37% to 221.1 billion yuan, $34.2 billion, topping analyst estimates of 214.4 billion yuan, according to IBES data from Refinitiv. Alibaba shares fell 4% in Hong Kong on Wednesday, closing nearly as much on the NYSE.